siren word. Neighbors shout, politics fade in and out, but even in the noise, my silence was heard. Even my silence was heard. Even my silence was heard. No sound, no shout, just wordless words. I know my heart. Even my silence was heard. In my hand, I just stared at the roof till it turned to sea. Waves in the tin kept a one-drop band, beating out the things you never see in me. I breathe out fear, breathe in that mystery. I read the spaces between my history. My silence was heard. Even my silence was heard. No drum, no chord, still the spirit stirred. I read the pause. Even my silence was heard. Under the mango tree I stood still. The wind whispered secrets it couldn't kill. Shadows danced while the sun spilled its gold. I said nothing, but the silence felt bold. Even my silence was heard. Every beat, every word. Even my silence was heard. Through the breeze like a bird. Oh. Drumbeat echoed in the clouds up high. My lips were closed, my spirit loud. Even in silence I drew a crowd.
Walking barefoot on the asphalt, heat burns my soul. City lights blind me, but they can't make me whole. Every crack in the pavement, a story untold. From asphalt to Zion, flow from concrete to mountains, where the breezes blow. Zion, oh Zion, that's where I wanna go. Street signs point nowhere, they lead to the same. Skyscrapers touch the clouds, but they play no game. Roots call me back home to the earth from which I came. I hear the drums, they call my name through the haze, through the flame. From asphalt to Zion, where the rivers flow from concrete to breezes blow. Zion, oh Zion, that's where I wanna go. The bassline's heavy, like the weight of this place, but the rhythm carries me to a higher space. Echoes of freedom in the dub's embrace. untold. From asphalt to Zion, where the rivers flow. From concrete to mountains, where the breezes blow. Zion, oh Zion, that's where I wanna go. Street signs point nowhere, they lead to the same. Skyscrapers touch the clouds, but they play no game. Roots call me back home, to the earth from which I came. I hear the drums, they call my name. Through the haze, through the flame. From asphalt to Zion, where the rivers flow. From concrete to mountains, where the breezes blow. Zion, oh Zion, that's where I wanna go. The bassline's heavy like the weight of this place, but the rhythm carries me to a higher space. Echoes of freedom in the dub's embrace. Sunrise paints the ocean gold. The breeze whispers secrets untold. Feet on the earth feel so bold. Green light from Jah, we moving forward, the rhythm grooving. No stopping, no losing. Clouds drift, but the sun stays near. Shadows dance and the path stays clear. Heartbeats echo, Jah's voice we hear. Lift up your eyes, see the truth that flies, no disguise. Oh. Green light from Jah, we moving forward, the rhythm grooving. No stopping, no losing. ocean cold. The breeze whispers secrets untold. Feet on the earth, feel so bold. Green light from Jah, we moving forward, the rhythm grooving. No stopping, no losing. Clouds drift, but the sun stays near. Shadows dance and the path stays clear. Heartbeats echo Jah's voice we hear. Lift up your eyes, see the truth that flies. No disguise. Green light from Jah, we moving forward, the rhythm grooving. No stopping, no losing. Roots deep in the soul we grow. Through fire and rain we glow. The winds of change they blow. I didn't heal loudly, I healed in the dark. Under the moon, no fire, no spark. The night whispered soft where the day would shout. The shadow stitched wounds the light left out. I didn't heal loudly, no trumpet, no sound, no crowd to witness, no victory found. Quiet like the rain sinking into the ground. I didn't heal loudly, I just turned around.
They said you need noise to make it real, but silence spoke louder and helped me feel. Roots grow deeper when no one can see. Healing's a journey, not a decree. No fireworks, no stage, just a soul uncaged. I didn't hear loudly, no trumpet, no sound, no crowd to witness, no victory found. Quiet like the rain sinking into the ground. I didn't hear loudly, I just turned around. Some scars are songs you never sing. Some wings don't flap, but still they spring. A quiet revolution inside the chest. Healing is silent when it's at its best.
I didn't heal loudly, I healed in the dark, under the moon. No fire, no spark. The night whispered soft, where the day would shout. The shadow stitched wounds, the light left out. I didn't hear loudly, no trumpet, no sound, no crowd to witness, no victory found. Quiet like the rain sinking into the ground. I didn't hear loudly, I just turned around. They said you need noise to make it real, but silence spoke louder and helped me feel. Roots grow deeper when no one can see. Healing's a journey, not a decree. No fireworks, no stage, just a soul uncaged. I didn't hear loudly, no trumpet, no sound, no crowd to witness, no victory found. Quiet like the rain sinking into the ground. I didn't hear loudly, I just turned around. Some scars are songs you never sing. Some wings don't flap, but still they spring. A quiet revolution inside the chest. Healing is silent when it's at its best. falls slow, the sky turns red. I plant my thoughts where fears are fed. No chains, no bars can hold my thread. A fire inside, but I won't ignite. Truth moves steady, no need to fight. Oh, yeah. I don't need to burn to set a limit. My spirit's strong, my soul infinite. I don't need to burn to set a limit. Waves crash loud, the tide won't wait. Time's a drumbeat that never hesitates, but my heart walks free, no heavy freight. I don't need to burn to set a limit. My spirit's strong, my soul infinite. I don't need to burn to set a limit. Shadows whisper, but I walk tall. No flames, no ashes, I rise above it all. A spark's enough to light the call. Oh, the sun falls slow, the sky turns red. I plant my thoughts where fears are fed. No chains, no bars can hold my thread. A fire inside, but I won't ignite. Truth moves steady, no need to fight. I don't need to burn to set a limit. My spirit's strong, my soul infinite. I don't need to burn to set a limit. I don't need to burn to set a limit. My spirit's strong, my soul infinite. I don't need to burn to set a limit. Waves crash loud, the tide won't wait. Time's a drumbeat, never hesitates, but my heart walks free, no heavy freight. I don't need to burn to set a limit. My spirit's strong, my soul infinite. I don't need to burn to set a limit. I don't need to burn to set a limit. My spirit's strong, my soul infinite. I don't need to burn to set Morning sun spills on the sand. Footprints fade like a whispered plan. Life moves slow but the heart beats fast. Left with love, not regret, the kind you can't forget. Left with love, not regret, that's the best deal, yeah. Left with love, not regret, the kind you can't forget. Left with love, not regret, that's the best deal, yeah. Shadows dance as the tide rolls near. Waves hum songs only hearts can hear. Time's a thief, but I've got no fear. I keep walking, I keep walking. Past the moments, past the talking. Left with love, not regret, the kind you can't forget. Left with love, not regret, that's the best deal, yeah. Left with love, not regret, the kind you can't forget. Left with love, not regret, that's the best deal, yeah. Stars are lanterns in the deep blue sky. Dreams ride the breeze as the night drifts by. What we keep is not what we buy. Left with love, not regret, the kind you can't forget. Left with love, not regret, that's the best deal, yeah. Left with love, not regret, the kind you can't forget. Left with love, not regret, that's the best deal, yeah. Morning sun spills on the sand. Footprints fade like a whispered plan. Life moves slow but the heart beats fast. Left with love, not regret, the kind you can't forget. Left with love, not regret, that's the best deal, yeah. Shadows dance as the tide rolls near. Waves hum songs only hearts can hear. Time's a thief, but I've got no fear. I keep walking.
Left with love, not regret. That's the best deal yet. Stars are lanterns in the deep blue sky. Dreams ride the breeze as the night drifts by. What we keep is not what we buy. In the sidewalk, cracks they grow, breaking the stone where nothing should show. Silent rebels, they never bow, no. Roots in the cracks, roots in the cracks. Life keeps rising, no turning back. Roots in the cracks, roots in the cracks, breaking the gray with green attacks. The city hums, but the earth still speaks through tiny shoots in the concrete streets, whispering truths that no one seeks. Oh, deep in the ground, the pulse won't fade. Through every block, the roots invade. Roots in the cracks, roots in the cracks. Life keeps rising, no turning back. Roots in the cracks, roots in the cracks, breaking the gray with green attacks. Under the moon, under the light, nature's rhythm steady and tight. Oh, oh. Roots in the cracks, roots in the cracks. Life keeps rising, no turning back. Roots in the cracks, roots in the cracks, breaking the gray with green attacks. The sidewalk cracks they grow, breaking the stone when nothing should show. Silent rebels, they never bow. No, roots in the cracks, roots in the cracks. Life keeps rising, no turning back. Roots in the cracks, roots in the cracks, breaking the gray with green attack. they feed the fight. Under the moon, under the light, nature's rhythm, steady and tight. Roots in the cracks, roots in the cracks. Life keeps rising, no turning back. Roots in the cracks, roots in the cracks. Breaking the gray with green attacks. In the drum beats of rebirth. Smoke don't hide the sky. No, no. The truth still burns, it'll always show. Smoke don't hide the sky. No, no. Oh no. No, no. Echoes bounce in the dubwise haze. Rebel hearts beat in endless ways. No smoke screen can blind these days. Yeah, no smoke screen. Smoke don't hide the sky. No, no. The truth still burns, it'll always show. Smoke don't hide the sky. No, no. Oh no. Oh no.
gray rolls through the street. Heavy boots on the ground where shadows meet. Ashes rise but can't disguise the heat. Smoke don't hide the sky, no, no. The truth still burns, it'll always show. Smoke don't hide the sky, no, no. Mountains whisper to the restless sea. Freedom hums in the roots of every tree. You can't cage a wind that's born to be free. It's in the rhythm of the earth, in the drumbeat of rebirth. Smoke don't hide the sky, no, no. The truth still burns, it'll always show. Smoke don't hide the sky, no, no. Echoes bounce in the dub-wise haze. Rebel hearts beat in endless ways. No smoke screen can blind these days. Smoke don't hide the sky, no, no. The truth still burns, it'll always show. Smoke don't hide the sky, no, no. The sun sets low on a dusty track. Footsteps fade, but they don't look back. A border's just a line they drew. The earth don't care, it splits for you. Where borders break, we find our way. No walls can hold the light of day. Where borders break, hearts resonate. Freedom sings, it won't hesitate. Clouds drift slow, they don't choose sides. Rivers flow where the earth divides. A map's alive, a paper chain. The sky don't stop for man-made pain. won't hesitate. Clouds drift slow, they don't choose sides. Rivers flow where the earth divides. A map's a lie, a paper chain. The sky don't stop for man-made pain. Hear the beat, hear it roll. One world, one soul. Where borders break, we find our way. No walls can hold the light of day. Where borders break, hearts resonate. Freedom sing, it won't hesitate. Roots run deep beneath the ground. No borders